All right, this is one powerful air duster, and this thing will blow you away. Check this out. Great size, perfect for your hands, nice and portable. And if you need to dust off any of your keyboards or just sawdust or anything that's just lingering around, you need to get rid of that dust, this will do it really, really quickly. So you have a power button up top, so you hold down to power it on. You have 3 different power levels, and it gives you a LED light indication for each one of those levels. And you can also use those buttons if you wanted to keep it on without having to press the trigger button. So there's a trigger button right here, so you press that one and it blows. And you can see, watch when I press it, it like pushes it back. It's very, 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 very powerful. On the bottom here, you have your USB-C for charging. It does come with a cable, and you have a light. So you can use this as a flashlight or even like a little SOS mode. That way you can see that dust that you need to bust. It does also come with this silicone attachment. So if you really want to focus that air in, you know, especially for like keyboards, you can put this thing on there. It just attaches like that. And then when you press that trigger button, it is incredibly powerful. Great like quality build. Like this is strong. And yeah, perfect if you want to clean your lenses. Perfect if you want to clean a lot of things that you need to dust off and keep the dust off of anything. So it's great, it's powerful, highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.